Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We are at one of Stockport's underground tunnels. Let me take you inside guys. Follow me. Right guys, we're going to lock ourselves in the underground tunnels of Stockport guys. We're going to lock ourselves in. Right guys, welcome back to Exploring with Jake. We are in the tunnels now. Look at the old shoe. Look, there's number one. This is crazy.
From my dad. So thank you very much there, Dad.
Nice one, Dad.
We are out going for our next edition.
But yeah guys, this is the Stockport tunnels. The other side of the video that I did. But yeah. This is crazy. The good thing about these lights as well, you've got two brightnesses.
But in buildings you won't need it.
Whoa.
Whoa, we ain't going to get any further down there.
Just be careful above your head. We're in the road.
That's in the building site, that.
Yeah, it is, mate.
The building site's here above us. I don't think that's a good place to be, do you? Are you any further in?
Yeah. Number 4. It goes for miles. Yeah guys, a bit of information. We are under the old quick save in Stockport right about now. We are on level 4 of the old railway tunnel. Let's take us down there. Look at how far it goes down, mate.
It's used for Royal Mail for transporting money for the
Oh yeah, there's some more information there by Clan's-Outing. It was used for the old train robbery where they used to transport money from Royal Mail. So yeah, this probably would have been the track, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Where the old Manchester train robbery went down.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it would have been, wouldn't it? Yeah. Yeah, guys.
To this track at some point where they went down and done the robbery.
Yeah. That's what I mean, guys. There's a lot of history.
These have been on it, mate. These have been researching for the change.
You aye.
Look at Jake there on his little...
Like a fucking... Like a bloody... Yeah, I think it... Yeah, shine your big light down there, Reese.
Wow,
Yeah, guys, I'll come back to you in a minute. Get an old lid there off an old Coke can, guys. This is well big, this, guys. I'm telling you, we are under Stockport right now of the old tunnel. We are at lot 17. But yeah, guys, we are with Just Ash and Clan's-Outing. Right, guys, we're on our way back. Yeah. Yeah, guys, getting to the end here now. The old tunnel. Yeah, guys. Thank you for joining. Exploring with Jake. We are down the underground tunnels of Stockport. A different one. Always the best from all of us. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the tunnel. Here's the doors. We're locked in so nobody else could follow us. So that's how we roll. Look.